Hi all, Rene here. It is time for the Sew Sampler box. This is so exciting. I love these boxes. This is the Sew Sampler January 2020 box from Fat Quarter Shop. And let's go ahead and open it, see what we got. Farm life is our theme. And the coupon that's usually inside the lid is enjoy $10 off a purchase of $30 or more on jelly rolls and honey buns. And this is good through March 20th, 2020. And that is going to be only for those who are getting the box, so I won't show you the code on that. And here's our little card that tells us more about what we've got here. So let me open that so I can give you some values on each of the items. If you're curious about the box, just go to fatquartershop.com and you can see about the box. I think they do have a waiting list right now. And our fabric this month is Flower Garden, and this is called a half honey bun. Isn't that adorable? Look how cute that is. And the value on this is $13.99. This is by Moda, and it is Lizzie, it's so small, Lindsay Cole McCrae. Is that right? It's hard to tell. So let's take a look at what our fabrics are. So, oh, that's pretty. Oops, I flipped too many. I love these. It's I think it's probably called Flower Garden because it's reminiscent of flour sacks. I really like. Oh, that's pretty. I love yellow and teal and gray. Just love those colors together. And that. And some gray and some more teal. Oh, that's really pretty. These colors are my thing. I love these colors. Oh, that's really pretty. I really like that one. Ooh, and the yellow one too. And a teal. Real pretty. And the blue. If I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause if you want to look closer at any of these. Try not to make this too long. So there's our fabric. Okay, and we've got fuzz, of course. So the fabric, I don't know if I told you, $13.99. This is a Creative Grids 3.5 by 6.5 ruler, non-slip ruler. I love these Creative Grids rulers. I'm not sure if I already have the size, but these are really handy to have, not only for sewing, but for lots of other things, because just the size is a real nice size. And the value of this is $12.99. Oh, I'm very excited about this. I saw Kimberly talk about this, or kind of sort of show it, on one of her YouTube videos just recently. And it says, oh, we're the first ones to see it. It is a quilting journal. It has sections for 50 projects, block of the months, wish lists, and more. And the value on this is $13.98. And let's just take a quick look. The quilting list. Oh, that's nice. So you get, for each of your projects, you can, your start date, your end date, what fabric collections. You can do a time tracker, although I'll tell you what, I'm sorry, I got out of the picture there for a minute. I would be afraid to do that because I am the slowest quilter known to man. So yeah, I probably won't be taking care of the time tracker, but it is nice that you can do your supplies and any notes, and I like that who you made it for, because most of my stuff I'm making for other people. So, and then it looks like you have 50 of those, and then you have a little area for your wish list. Oh, I like this, my block of the months, so that you know which blocks you're doing. And then some notes. Yay, I like that a lot. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a bag. I love bags. Let's see what we got here. Don't need to drop that. I almost dropped it on the dog. He would have been very upset. Oh, it's kind of, it's rubbery too. Oh, I like that. I can always use another bag. This is a really nice bag. So this is a Gingham on the Go project bag. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive. It's a gingham mesh bag. It's designed for sewing on the go, and project bags are available as a set of 3. And this is an exclusive Sew Sampler color, so you can't buy this color The other ones are teal, pink, and then a dark black gray. And the value is $8.48. And it looks like the 3-pack that you get is 3 different sizes. So I'm guessing this is probably the largest one. This is a good size, a good little size bag. I can see lots of uses for this. So I'm glad to get that. Okay, and our pattern. This is called Picture Window. And let's see. You can add a few more strips to make it a larger lap size. Oh, well, that's nice. So you can they give you 2, bonus size option. Okay. So what do we need? So if we're doing the wall hanging, which is 33.5 by 40.5, you just need your honey bun, 1 3/4 yard background, and then 5/8 yard for binding in your cornerstones, and then 1 1/3 for your backing. And then if you want to do the lap version, let's see, you need this petite flower garden honey bun and then a regular size honey bun. 4 1/8 background, 3/4 binding and cornerstones, and then 3 5/8 yards backing. And that comes out to 54.5 by 61.5. I think I like the little wall hanging version. I always like getting something a little smaller that I can hang up in my sewing room, because at some point I run out of wall space. And then I've been looking forward to this. We are on block 10 for the Goodness Grows. I keep going out of the picture, sorry. Block 10 for Goodness Grows. And this one looks like another applique block. I know I'm kind of one of the weird ones, but I really like applique. And so, yeah, this is awesome. Now I bought the kit at the beginning of this cycle. So all of these shapes are already pre-cut for me. So that's awesome. I'm really excited about that. And let's see, it says that you also need a bias, I think that's supposed to be tape, bias table maker. Never heard of that. I think it's supposed to be bias tape, because I bet you these stems are bias tape, but I can do that without a bias tape maker. I can make my own bias tape. So I like this box. I think it's some good stuff in here. It's some stuff I'll really use. So there we go. I'll show you everything. There's the ruler. Really excited about this, and then the little bag. So I hope you liked the video. And oh, I'm sorry, the picture window quilt pattern value $9.98, and the Goodness Grows quilt along pattern is valued at $4.98. So definitely got more than the $24.99 price. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the January, I had to think for a minute, January 2020 Sew Sampler Box. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.